Welcome back to Buckeye Bloomstead. Now, if you've been following our channel for a while, you know we usually focus on homesteading, gardening, and sustainable living. But today we're venturing just a little bit off the beaten path with something that we think many of you will find fascinating, a recipe that's been making waves as a natural approach to weight management: the Brazilian Mounjaro Drink. Now, why are we featuring this? Well, as our channel continues to grow, we're expanding our content to include more than just growing food. We want to help you make the most of it. That means we'll be bringing you more videos on cooking, preserving, dehydrating, and even wellness tips that align with a self-sufficient lifestyle. After all, knowing how to grow your own food is just one part of the equation. Knowing how to use it to nourish your body in the best way possible, that's just as important. So today, we're diving into a drink that's claimed to be a natural alternative to expensive weight loss medications. But is there any science behind it? And most importantly, how do you make it? Stick around as we break it all down ingredient by ingredient and show you step by step how to prepare the Brazilian Mounjaro drink right at home. So, in order to understand where the Mounjaro name came from, we need to understand why this is now a thing. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so, and if you find this video holds value, liking our channel and subscribing really helps our channel grow. So, where did the Brazilian Mounjaro drink come from? In the ever-evolving world of weight loss trends, the Brazilian Mounjaro drink has recently taken center stage. But where exactly did this idea originate? The name Mounjaro itself is most commonly associated with the prescription medication used for weight loss and diabetes management. But this drink? This is something different, something natural. The Brazilian Mounjaro drink appears to have gained popularity through social media, fueled by claims that it mimics the effects of the medication using natural ingredients. Though not officially tied to the pharmaceutical drug, this homemade version quickly spread as a more holistic alternative, allegedly promoting metabolism support, appetite control, and overall well-being. The drink reportedly draws inspiration from traditional Brazilian remedies, utilizing powerful ingredients known for their health benefits, such as apple cider vinegar, ginger, and lemon. A quick disclaimer before we continue. Before we dive any further, let's take a moment for an important disclosure. If you are currently taking any medications or have underlying health conditions, be sure to consult with your doctor before trying this drink. While the ingredients are natural, some may interact with medications or pre-existing conditions. We are not medical professionals, nor do we claim to be. This video is for informational purposes only, and you are responsible for what you choose to consume. We're simply sharing a widely discussed recipe that many have incorporated into their weight loss journey. Always do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to your health. While there's no concrete evidence that this drink provides the same effects as the medication, it has caught the attention of many who are looking for natural ways to support their weight loss journey. And that's exactly why we're taking a closer look at it today, breaking down the ingredients, the science behind them, and how you can make it right at home. So, could this be the weight loss secret people are claiming it to be? Let's dive into the recipe and find out. Understanding the Brazilian Mounjaro Drink. The Brazilian Mounjaro Drink is a blend of apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, ginger, and honey. This combination is thought to boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and support digestion. While it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise, incorporating this drink into your routine may offer additional support on your wellness journey. Ingredients and their benefits. Let's break down the key components. Butterfly pea flowers, a natural superfood. I am curious how many of you have heard of this ingredient before. Let us know in the comments below if you have heard of this ingredient and if you have ever used it, and how is it used. Butterfly pea flowers are vibrant blue blossoms native to Southeast Asia, prized for their high antioxidant content and striking color-changing properties. These flowers have long been used in traditional medicine and herbal teas for their potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, these flowers are packed with anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and combat free radicals. Supports brain function. Studies suggest that butterfly pea flowers may enhance cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health due to their neuroprotective properties. A natural stress reliever, butterfly pea tea is often used to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and even help improve sleep quality. Potential weight management benefits. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the compounds in butterfly pea flowers may help with metabolism and digestion, making them a great addition to this drink. Supports skin and hair health. The antioxidants and flavonoids in these flowers are believed to boost collagen production, promoting youthful skin and healthy hair. Where to find butterfly pea flowers? Butterfly pea flowers are widely available online and in specialty health stores. You can find them in two forms: dried whole butterfly pea flowers. These are perfect for steeping tea and extracting their vibrant blue pigment for natural food coloring. They also work beautifully in this drink. Powdered form. This is a convenient option for blending into smoothies, lattes, or even baking. While the powdered version retains many of the same benefits as the dried flowers, it's essential to buy from a reputable source to ensure purity and potency. If you're looking for organic or high-quality butterfly pea flowers, check online marketplaces like Amazon, specialty tea shops, or herbal suppliers. Just be sure to choose 100% pure, additive-free butterfly pea flowers to get the best results. In the Brazilian Mounjaro Drink, butterfly pea flowers add a beautiful color and a mild, earthy flavor. Incorporating these flowers not only makes the drink visually appealing, but also enhances its nutritional benefits, making it a delightful and healthy choice for any occasion. You will also need apple cider vinegar, ACV. Rich in acetic acid, ACV has been linked to appetite suppression and improved metabolism. Some studies suggest it may help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Lemon juice. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice supports digestion and may enhance the body's detoxification processes. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger aids digestion and may increase calorie burning. Honey. A natural sweetener with antimicrobial properties, honey provides a touch of sweetness and can soothe the digestive tract. The last ingredient is water. We prefer to use water from our Berkey water filter, but filtered water is not necessary. Any good quality water can be used. Now, there are additional ingredients you may add if you prefer to add to this recipe. However, they are not necessary. The 6 ingredients we just mentioned: butterfly pea flowers, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, ginger, honey, and water are all that is needed to make this drink. Here are other ingredients people report adding to this drink in the amount you desire. Fresh fruits like lime, lemon, or tropical fruits, aromatic herbs, mint, basil, and a touch of sweetener. It calls for honey, but I imagine something like stevia could be used. Although I'm not sure if using stevia will change the effect of this drink. If anyone knows for sure, please feel free to share that in the comments below. You can also add camu camu, a powerful superfruit that, like lemon, is an excellent source of vitamin C and may help strengthen the immune system while combating inflammation. We had never heard of camu camu before, so we did a little research, and here's what we found. Camu camu is a small, tart berry native to the Amazon rainforest, primarily found in Peru and Brazil. It has gained worldwide popularity due to its extremely high vitamin C content and impressive health benefits. If you're interested in trying it, camu camu powder is widely available online through health food retailers, superfood stores, and major online marketplaces. Look for organic, additive-free varieties to ensure the highest quality. People also have added herbal infusions to this recipe. Consider adding fresh mint or lemongrass for an extra zing and potential health benefits. Cinnamon addition. You can add cinnamon, which also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, provides additional anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, along with adding a warm, spicy flavor to the drink. Crafting the Brazilian Mounjaro Drink. Now that we've explored the ingredients, let's talk about how to make it. Feel free to pause the video to jot down the steps. Though it's a simple recipe, you can easily adjust it to suit your taste preferences. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of butterfly pea flowers, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, adjust to taste. We recommend starting with 1 teaspoon if you prefer a milder flavor. Juice of half a lemon, approximately 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for sweetness. Instructions: heat the water. Bring a cup of water to a boil. This isn't rocket science, so feel free to adjust the recipe to suit your taste. Remove the boiling water from heat and add the butterfly pea flowers. Let them steep for about 10 minutes. If you prefer a clear drink, strain out the flowers. But if you enjoy a rustic, visually stunning presentation, leave them in. The deep blue color is mesmerizing. Add fresh ginger. Stir in the freshly grated ginger to infuse its warmth and health benefits. Sweeten, optional. If desired, mix in 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of honey, depending on your preferred sweetness level. Stir until dissolved. The magical color change. Add an extra 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your drink and watch as the vibrant blue drink transforms into a brilliant purple. Hence why we call it the magical color change. Final mix. Give it a good stir and let it sit for a minute to allow the flavors to blend together. How to enjoy your Brazilian Mounjaro drink. For a warm, soothing drink, pour into your favorite mug and sip immediately. For a refreshing iced drink, let it cool slightly, then pour over a glass filled with ice cubes. Either way, you're in for a delicious and unique beverage. Many recommend drinking this in the morning before meals for the best potential benefits. Enjoy. Incorporating the drink into your routine is easy too. For optimal benefits, consume the Brazilian Mounjaro drink once daily. It's best enjoyed on an empty stomach, such as before breakfast, to kickstart your metabolism for the day. Remember, this drink complements a healthy lifestyle and should be paired with balanced nutrition and regular physical activity. Precautions and considerations. While the ingredients are natural, it's important to consider the following. Apple cider vinegar. Its high acidity can affect tooth enamel. To protect your teeth, drink through a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterward. Ginger. In large amounts, ginger may cause digestive discomfort in some individuals. Start with a small quantity to assess your tolerance. Honey. If you're monitoring sugar intake, adjust the amount of honey or omit it entirely. Medical conditions. If you have underlying health issues or are on medication, consult with a healthcare professional before adding this drink to your regimen. The science behind the ingredients. Research into the individual components offers insights into their potential benefits. Apple cider vinegar. Studies have explored its role in promoting satiety and supporting metabolic health. Promoting satiety means helping you feel full and satisfied after eating, which can reduce hunger and prevent overeating. Foods that promote satiety typically have high amounts of fiber, protein, or healthy fats, as these nutrients slow digestion and keep you feeling full for longer. In the context of weight loss, consuming foods or drinks that promote satiety can help control appetite and make it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. This drink has been shown to do exactly that. The lemon juice, with its antioxidant properties, may aid in reducing oxidative stress. And research on ginger suggests ginger can enhance thermogenesis, potentially increasing calorie expenditure. Another main reason this drink is so effective in weight loss for many individuals. While these findings are promising, more comprehensive studies are needed to fully understand the effects of these ingredients when combined. Now, for those of you who watch until the end, we will tell you how you can get a free copy of this recipe in a PDF format for you to print out. Testimonials and anecdotal evidence. Many individuals have shared positive experiences with the Brazilian Mounjaro drink, noting increased energy levels and support in weight management efforts. However, it's essential to approach such testimonials with a critical eye, as individual results can vary. Incorporating the Brazilian Mounjaro drink is just one aspect of a holistic approach to wellness. Consider the following practices. Balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular exercise. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular activities and strength training exercises. Adequate sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health. Hydration. Maintain proper hydration throughout the day to aid digestion and metabolism. Addressing common questions. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions. Can I drink it more than once a day? While once daily is typical, it's important to listen to your body and monitor how well you tolerate the drink. If you're considering increasing the frequency, we recommend consulting with a healthcare provider, especially if you have any concerns or are taking medications that may interact with any of the ingredients. Can I prepare it in advance? It's best enjoyed fresh, but you can prepare the ginger infusion ahead and add the other ingredients just before drinking. Are there variations to the recipe? Yes, some variations include adding a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra metabolic boost. If you're still with us and you'd like a printable PDF of this recipe, we've got you covered. Simply visit our main channel page, scroll down to find our email address below the links, and send us a message. Be sure to include Mounjaro Drink Recipe in the subject line, and we'll be happy to send you a copy. As we close, we hope you now know what all the hype is surrounding this drink, and how the Brazilian Mounjaro Drink offers a natural, refreshing way to potentially support your weight management journey. Remember, it's most effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Always listen to your body and consult healthcare professionals when making significant changes to your diet or wellness routine. Thank you for joining us at Buckeye Bloomstead. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Check out some of our other videos for more great topics. Watching more of our videos really helps our channel grow. See you next time on Buckeye Bloomstead.